Hi, I'm Swan. I'm the campaign manager.
I'm Paul. I'm the technology manager.
Hi, I'm Joachim. I'm the super connector.
My name is Vincent and I'm the expert.
Hi, I'm Henry, and I'm the face.
Hi, I'm Jules. I am the public relations manager.
Hi, my name is Marie and I am the graphic designer leader.
Textile products are not limited to the clothes we wear. In 2010, about 22 million tons of technical textiles are consumed in the world. Asia consumes approximately half of the technical textile world production, with 8.5 million tons, followed by America and Europe. China, which now owns 30% of the global market, has become the main producer and supplier of clothes. The government policy has favored the textile development and clothing facing outward. The problem is, textile industry uses a lot of water. One of the manufacturing steps is called a wet process. It consists in fixing dyes. In areas of the world where access to water is a major issue, we have already encountered water discharges to more than 85 degrees, which factories that poured 40 liters of water per second into the river. The water annually used worldwide for textile dyes would be enough to fill 1.6 million Olympic swimming pools. Despite this knowledge of water and air pollution, only few controls and environmental standards are in place.
Our sustainable performance team works on one environmental issue. We have found the problem of the textile industry pollution, which is the second most polluting industry in the world. Different environmental organizations have been denouncing for many years the ecological problems linked to the textile industry. Greenpeace, for example, has published two reports, Dirty Laundry 1 and Dirty Laundry 2, explaining and detailing the issues and possible solutions to the pollution problems. The two brands, company names NatureWork and Grado Zero, sustain us because they have been working also on new tissues made from ecological products. Grado Zero, for example, has been working on products made about nettle, which is more or less 10 times less polluting than cotton, because cotton is very polluting matter because it needs lots of water. And then NatureWork has been working on other products made from a petrochemical product. But we have found one other way to produce textile with less pollution in a very effective way. It is called the eel skin. It's not actually the skin of an eel, but the skin of the hagfish, which is a deep water dwelling fish with a long, slim body which produces copious amounts of clear slime in order to ward off predators. But the specificity of this fish is to possess hundreds of glands which follow the side of its body and from which it gets free a whitish substance which, in the contact of water, is transformed into viscous mucus, goes out of ultra-resistant nuts. Researchers from the Canadian University of Guelph in Ontario has used this idea to create a new type of textile fiber. Snot is consisted in fact of extremely fine strands and resistance fiber of a diameter of thousands of millimeters. And according to Timothy Wingard, who works on the project, the glands of single fish are capable of producing more or less 1 million of kilometers of thread. His colleague Douglas Fudge, who discovered this property, explains that once the fiber has been extracted from some water and dried, they have very resembling properties than the silk. Contrary to synthetic tissues, the ecological tissue advantage is obvious. The intermediate strands, which compose the mucus, appeal to no petrochemical process and are perfectly biodegradable. This is why we have chosen to go in this direction to have a more ecological and also a more economical fiber.
Here is the interview of the expert.
Over the years, secretion of the mycene have become considerably solid. Properties of this trickle are close to the ones made by humans like Kevlar, which is used for bulletproof jackets. This main obvious advantages is that there is no need of petrochemical process for this type of fiber, and they are biodegradable. Actually, the wool and the cotton have some features that the mycene slime cannot replace. Wool is lagging even when it's wet, and cotton is known for its light permeability. Myxine fibers would be used for high-performance clothes, the bulletproof jackets, or the pantyhose, for example. Of course, each type of clothes is doable. You could be able to make every colors and designs. These fibers are similar to spider and worm silk. Well, it will depend on the way to extract the secretion. The gland of one fish can make 1 to 3 kilometers of line. It's quite considerable. Once you know how to extract the slime, you have to find some partnerships which will be able to help you in producing machines to transform this fiber into wearable clothes and on a large scale. You find a lot of raw materials in the nature to make clothes. For example, bamboo fibers have recently been used to make polos. Nowadays, we have to search for new biodegradable ways to produce because reducing the use of fossil fuel is essential. I have several ideas, but they will stay secret for the moment.